Guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a easy summer snack. The stuff that you will need is a cutting board, 1 spoon, a little bit of water, 4 tomatoes, 1 garlic, 2 green peppers, tongs, salt, a blender, tortillas, a knife, a flat griddle, and a fryer. Before I continue, I have a big announcement. I'm gonna be giving away a $10 gift card. To enter for the giveaway is going to be in the description down below. Turn your stove on high. Grab your 4 tomatoes, put it on the flat griddle. Grab your 2 green peppers, put on the flat griddle, and your 1 garlic, put on the flat griddle. Leave your tomatoes on the flat griddle when they're fully cooked for 5 minutes. Take out your green peppers when they're fully cooked. Take out the garlic when it's fully cooked, put it in a bowl. It looks like this. After you're finished, put a little bit of water, put some salt, put your tomatoes inside the blender. Your green peppers in the blender and your garlic. Blend it all together. Pour your mixture into the bowl. Mix it with your spoon. Your tortillas in shapes like triangles. Do them with all of them. Your tortilla into the fryer for 5 minutes. Take them out when they're crispy. I hope you guys enjoy how to make an easy summer snack. Please subscribe, like, comment down below.